Today we're visiting Old Wheels Grind, a charming spot just 8 minutes northeast of Mudgee in New South Wales. It's a unique coffee shop serving locally roasted coffee and freshly made cinnamon doughnuts. What makes it special? Well, the shop is actually a vintage Land Rover, standing in a peaceful paddock. Scattered around the paddock are tables and chairs, plus a few old Land Rovers for the kids to climb in and on. Located at number 8 Pipeclay Lane, Budgee Budgee, this spot is surrounded by Mudgee's best wineries. Families love the open space where kids can run around and play while adults enjoy the tranquil setting. You'll find friendly staff, great coffee, and hot, freshly cooked, delicious cinnamon doughnuts. If you're looking for a rustic escape with simple pleasures, this just might be your next favourite spot. Check the website for opening hours before visiting. They might vary depending on the season. You'll find a link to the website in my video description, or just plug Old Wheels Grind Coffee into your favourite search engine.
We were winning it half time.
Yeah, didn't they? Power sockets that MG TDs and things.
We're the only non-white here.